This is preview activity 3 for section 3.1. Suppose it is currently Tuesday. What day will it be 3 days from now? Well, 3 days from now, it'll be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. What will it be 10 days from now? That's 3 days in a week, so Friday. What will it be 17 days, 24 days from now? Both are both Friday. Now let's find several other natural numbers, x, such that it will be Friday, x days from now. 31 days, 38 days. Create a list in increasing order of these numbers, 3, 10, 17, 24. And then pick any two and subtract one from the other. What do you get? Well, we'll just work with some of these ones. So like 24 minus 3 is 21. Hey, a multiple of 7. And then one of my numbers was 38 minus 10 is 28. Hey, that's a multiple of 7. Interesting. What are the numbers you obtained in part 5 have in common? Multiples of 7. Suppose we are using a 12-hour clock with no distinction. And it's 5 p.m. It's 5 a.m. or p.m. We don't know. What time will it be 4 hours from now? 9 o'clock. What time will it be 16 hours from now? Well, a whole clock is 12 hours. If you're not caring about a.m. and p.m., so it'll still be 9 o'clock. How about 28 hours? 28 is 4 plus 24, so it's going to be 9 o'clock. A bunch of other times, 40 hours from now. That works. Create a list in increasing order. If I pick any two numbers, if I subtract, I'm going to get a multiple of 12. So look at like 24 minus 4, that's 24, which is the multiple of 12. What are the numbers for part 4 have in common? They're all multiples of 12. Now notice it's not that necessarily these numbers are not multiples of 12, but if I subtract any two of them, I always get a multiple of 12. All right, this is a continuation of part 1, and now we're going to do negative numbers. What day was it 4 days ago? If today was Tuesday, 4 days ago would have been Friday. What day was it 11 days ago? Well, that's 7 more days ahead. So again, Friday. 18, another 7 days ahead, Friday. Pick a bunch of other numbers. So 25, 32. And then if I make a list and then pick pairs of numbers and subtract them, it's always going to be a multiple of 7 days. So always a multiple of 7 days. Look at that. It's not necessarily the numbers, because my numbers are not multiples of 7, but subtracting any two of them always gives me a multiple of 7. That concludes preview activity 3.